Vision is so important. Everybody must have a vision. It's simply impossible to approach life without a vision.
And sorry, camera's over here. And we are back once again. Today we're doing a very special review. I say that about every review, don't I? But this is actually a pretty special review. This shoe line has been pretty big for this channel. In fact, I'm sure some of you guys only come to this channel for this shoe line. As soon as it clicks over to one of my other videos, you guys are like, get out of here. I am indeed talking about the New Balance Vision Racer Sunflower Yellow. If you're unfamiliar with the New Balance Vision Racer, this is an environmentally friendly sneaker, almost like a platform sneaker, that is designed by New Balance and Jaden Smith, Will Smith's son, for those of you who don't know who Jaden Smith is. He is a very talented musician, actor, and very good moonwalker. And this is the, I guess, third official colorway of the New Balance Vision Racer. There's been 4 releases, however, the release prior to this, the Surplus, each pair is different, so I don't know if you can really call that a colorway. Now let's check out some of the details on the New Balance Vision Racer. So the base of this shoe is this really fine yellow mesh that kind of wraps all around the shoe, even on the inside. You even have some of that mesh material on the tongue of the shoe. Also on that tongue area, you have sort of that hard knit that you might be used to seeing on like JanSport backpacks, and that is sewn down onto the tongue, creating loops for the laces to go through. I think that's a really cool touch. With the sunflower yellow pair, you do get a pair of yellow laces that already come in the shoe, but you also get this black pair of laces that you can switch out. Probably gives a better accent to it. And right at the top of that, you have what may be some controversial branding here, the Vision logo that Jaden uses a lot for his music. It is used all over this sneaker. I'll get into why that's controversial a little bit later. Of course, you have that famous New Balance logo right here on the side. They have that in somewhat of a light gray over a darker gray overlay of vegan leather. Yes, vegan leather. Vegan leather is used on a lot of these overlays on the sneaker. This shoe model actually introduced me to vegan leather because I was not aware that that was a thing. But Jaden Smith, being environmentally conscious, does choose to use vegan leather as opposed to your standard leather on his sneakers. So there's more vegan leather wrapping around from the toe all around to the back of the shoe. And right over that you have sort of this collar that wraps around the shoe as well, and again you have that Vision logo all the way around. At the rear of the shoe you have this plastic pull tab, and on the tab you can see that more modern New Balance NB logo. So like I mentioned before, this is somewhat of a platform sneaker. You can see that this heel is extremely raised, so you can see some off-white specks going across the midsole, and those specks in the foam are from material that is recycled to create this sneaker. Still, my favorite part of this sneaker is the sole. You have that clear sole displaying once again that iconic Vision logo that you know Jaden Smith for using. You also have that NB New Balance logo down there, but I just think that the way that they do the sole is really a nice touch to this sneaker. That's a great way to add Jaden Smith's personality into this shoe, which they've done a great job of overall. Being that this shoe is environmentally friendly, it is somewhat of a platform sneaker, which you have seen Jaden Smith wear even prior to having his own. So good job, New Balance. One other really cool aspect of this shoe is the insole. Now we talked about the recycled material that is used in the production of the New Balance Vision Racer, and here you have a prime look at it. You can see all those specs and colors coming together, and those are all from recycled material, all displayed here on the insole. It's a really cool insole. So we've gone over the details of the New Balance Vision Racer. Now let's slap it on foot and see what it looks like.
Okay. Okay. Okay, 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 oh, okay, 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 the sky is falling, the reaper calling, no time for stalling, tell me baby, are you all in? I've been hauling out to all of the gatherings, hope you follow the pattern and maybe catch me cause I'm falling off balance, it's like the silence of the lambs.
In terms of sizing, I would say to go true to size on the New Balance Vision Racer. I wear an 11, I bought an 11. Each time I get these, I just get true to size and it is a great fit. If you have wider feet, I would say to go up a half size or maybe a whole size depending on how wide your feet are. But if you have narrow feet or just, I guess, regular feet, go true to size. Trust me. Screw, 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 screw. So I mentioned the Vision logo across this sneaker being pretty controversial, and that is because Jaden Smith and New Balance caught a $2 million lawsuit from ABG, Authentic Brands Group. Definitely had to look down and read that. Based on a company that ABG owns, Vision Streetwear, who apparently has a similar logo or has used a similar logo. It was really interesting to see because we are used to seeing Jaden Smith use this logo. He's used this on merch for quite some time. But it was also perfect timing with the news of this lawsuit coming out. It almost played as promo for the sunflower yellow colorway. In a lot of cases, all promo can be good promo. A negative headline like catching a lawsuit based on infringement at least gets the shoe into different headlines and gets people seeing it. So I'm sure that must have played a part into the sales. I don't think these are selling crazy at the moment. Earlier in the year when we got the wavy baby blue colorway, that was like an instant sellout on the New Balance website, and that carried into a really good performance for the white navy colorway. These, I don't know that these went too crazy, and resale for the Vision Racer line overall has completely dropped. When the first colorway dropped for the Jaden Smith Vision Racer, resale was like, you could get that for $400, $500 if you're reselling it. Now you're looking at maybe $200, $260. That's maybe like the price range. And you're seeing a lot of them go for right around retail. Numbers may fluctuate. Don't get married to the numbers that I just said because it's going to go up and down. By the time you check GOAT or StockX, it definitely won't be the same as the numbers that I just said, but it should be in that neighborhood. And the sunflower yellow colorway also made a pretty cool cameo in Zendaya's shoot for Elle magazine. Zendaya, the goddess, was wearing a pair of these during her shoot. She made them look really cool. I love that New Balance and Jaden Smith are giving us these really bright, wonky colors. I'd love to see a pink colorway come out. Leave me a comment and let me know what colorways you would like to see the Vision Racer drop in next. Overall, this is one of my favorite silhouettes that has dropped this year. Also a great collaboration with New Balance and Jaden Smith, and hopefully we see this line grow. I'd love to see another model down the road. Of course, after we get some more colorways, they should definitely milk this and give us as many colorways as possible, and then give us like a Vision Racer 2 in the future. I think a lot of people would be interested in that. But those are just my thoughts. I would love to know what you guys think of the New Balance Vision Racer. Leave me a paragraph, leave me a whole book with your thoughts on this shoe. Did you cop? Are you looking to buy future colorways? Are you looking to buy some of the previous colorways that you may have missed out on? Let me know all of that in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. There will be many more videos to come. As always, thank you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Cheers.